Greetings everybody, welcome to my video tutorials. In this video tutorial, we will look at solutions to question 2 of WASSCE 2018 General Mathematics. In this problem, we given that the first three terms of an arithmetic progression in the bracket AP are s plus 1, 4s minus 2, and 6s minus 3 respectively. If the last term is 18, you have to find the value of s, that's the A part, and B, you have to find the sum of the terms of the arithmetic progression. Good, so let's look at the first part, the A, and you have to find the value of s. First of all, you should understand what an arithmetic progression is. An example of arithmetic progression, as we know, is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, let's say 12, etc. Now realize that for an AP, it has a common difference. Okay, the common difference in this case, if you have 4 minus 2, is same as 6 minus 4, is same as 8 minus 6. This all of us gives us 2. So you have a common difference. For any arithmetic progression, has a common difference, which we normally refer to as D. Good, so this will help us to solve the first part, that is the A part, that's the value of S. In this problem, we are given that the first term of the AP, in this case 2, the first of an AP is S plus 1, and the second term is 4S minus 2, and the third term is given as 6S minus 3. So using just the above explanation, we can say that the second term minus the first term is the same as the third term minus the second term. So let's write that one. That is 4s minus 2 minus s plus 1. That is the second term minus first term must be equal to the third term, that is 6s minus 3 minus 4s minus 2. So this will help us to get the value of s. Let's simplify this one. We have 4s minus 2 minus affect the s, so we have minus s, minus times 1 gives us minus 1, or is equal to 6s minus 3 minus affect the 4s minus 4s minus times minus 2 will give us positive 2. Okay, now we simplify. 4s minus s will give us 3s minus 2 minus 1 will give us minus 3, and it's equal to 6s minus 4 will give us 2s minus 3 plus positive 2 will give us minus 1. So we find s, that is 3s minus 2s is equal to minus 1. The minus 3 comes here, you have plus 3. So you have 3s minus 2 is given as s is equal to minus 1 plus 3 is 2. Good. So that is the value of s in this problem. So now that we know the value of s, you can easily find the value of the first term. You know the first term is s plus 1. That is 2 plus 1. S plus 1. This is s is 2, so 2 plus 1 will give us that. So we have the first term. The first term is s plus 1. So we have 2 plus 1 as the first term. The second term is 4s minus 2. That is, you have 4 times 2 minus 2. And the third term is 6s minus 3. That is 6 times 2. That's our s minus 3. This will give us 3, 6, and 9. So the first term in our problem is 3. The second term is 6, and the third term is 9, respectively. So that is it for the first part. The value of s is 2. Now let's consider the b. B. Now the B, you'll define the sum of the terms of the progression. First of all, we should know the sum of an AP. The sum of an AP. We know that for the sum of an AP, S of n is equal to n, the term, divided by 2, all times the first term, which you know use A, plus the last term, let's say L of n. Okay, and this can be explained by using the AP, let's say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, giving this AP. We can use this formula. Okay, the formula says that if you want to find the addition of this one, the sum of this progression, which is an AP, then we should simply count the number of terms that we are adding. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you are finding sum S of 6, and that is n. You have 6, and so you have 6 divided by 2 bracket our first term in this case is 2, so you have 2 plus our last term, which is 12. When we simplify this, we will have 3 times 14, and this gives us 42, which is true. Okay, that is 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 8, 20, plus 10, 30, plus 12, that is 42, which is correct. Okay, so if you have to find the sum of our progression in this problem, then it means you can use this formula, you get the right answer. Okay, the only problem is that we don't know the number of terms that we are adding, or we are finding the sum. So write S of n for now. Write S of n is equal to n over 2 bracket A. Our A is for our term, our A is 3 plus our last term. Our last term is given in the problem as 18. As 18. Good. That is this is called as n over 2 bracket 21. Good. So we are not done. The problem is n. How do we find the value of n? Okay. How do we find the value of n? And that is very simple. You can find the value of n by using the last term. You know that for an AP, the first term is A, the second term is A plus D, that's common difference. The third term is A plus 2D, that's the third term. And the fourth term is A plus 3D. Now, observing the pattern, realize that in the first term, for the fourth term, we have 3D, that's A plus 3D. For the third term, we have A plus 2D, okay? And the second term, we have A plus, let's say, 1D. So, you consider studying the pattern, you can see that for the M term, the M term will be A plus N minus 1D. Okay, I think this is right. We normally use this as L of N. And this is correct, because using this one, you can find the fourth term. That is, if you put A plus 4 minus 1, that will give us a 3D. So to find the last term or the M term of any arithmetical progression, we can use this formula, that's A plus bracket N minus 1D. So this will help us to find the N. In the problem, given that the last term is 18, that we can write A plus N minus 1D is equal to last term, which is given in the problem as 18. We know our A. Our A is 3. Our A is 3. Don't forget that our A is 3. A is 3. The second term is 6, and the fourth term is 9, and the third term is 9. So we will put our A here. Our A is 3. So we have 3 plus N minus 1D. The common difference Okay, the common difference is also 3. Because don't forget, we said that the first term is 3, second term is 6, third term is 9. So if you find the difference, we 6 minus 3 is equal to 9 minus 6, which is equal to 3. That's our common difference is 3. So we put our 3 here, and then all is equal to 18. This will give us 3 plus 3 times n, that is 3n, 3 times minus 1, which is minus 3, and now is equal to 18. We simplify and find the value of n. From here, you see 3 minus 3 will give us 0, so basically we have 3n is equal to 18. So we divide both sides by 3, and we have n is equal to 18 divided by 3 is 6. So this basically means that we are finding the sum of 6 terms from 3, 6, 9, probably next one will be 18, 8, will be 12, and so on. So now that we have our n to be 6, we substitute into this equation. Okay, we substitute into this equation. That is, we are finding s of 6 is equal to 6 divided by 2 times 21. That's s of 6 is equal to 3 times 21. So therefore, s of 6, that's s and subscript 6 is equal to 63. So basically, the sum of the progression is 63. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. See you in our next tutorial. Bye.